Hi there! Today I want to talk about Excel charts with a secondary axis. So first we'll look at the data. I just made this data up. I've got a list of students in my class and how many of the classes they've attended. And let's say that over the semester we met 20 times. So 20 is the largest possible number for classes a student could attend. And then I've got a column with each student's grade, and it's out of 100. So 100 is the highest grade you're going to see. So if you want to graph this data, you can just highlight all of the data and go under Insert. We could either do Recommended Chart, or if you know ahead of time what chart you want, like I want a column chart, I'm just going to select under Column the first 2D column chart I see. So this is one way to represent the data, and what I'm representing, I'm going to change my chart title. It is the attendance versus grades for all of my students. But one of the problems with this set of data is notice that my blue bars or the columns are super short because the maximum number of classes you could attend is 20. So that's the biggest bar you're going to have there. But those orange bars are taking up a lot more space because 100 is the highest grade you could get. So it's not a problem, but just if your data, one set of data is going to be tiny and almost hard to really see, you might want to think about having a secondary axis. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to double click on the orange bars, and over on the right we've got a pop-up, and I'm going to choose secondary axis, meaning this data about the grade the student got in the course, I want to represent that instead of the numbers on the left side of the y-axis, I want numbers to be on the right side, the secondary axis side. So now I've got my grades, which are out of 100, over here on the right side of the chart, and then the number of classes they attended, well, those numbers are going to be on the left side of the chart. I still am not quite happy with this, so I'm going to also change the chart type. I still have those bars selected, and I'm going to change this to a line. Let's do a 2D line where you have the markers. And now this is really getting easier to see that there's a relationship between the number of classes you attend. So Ace, who attended 20 classes, and Brandon and John Smith, well, they are all getting pretty high grades in the class, and the people that didn't attend many classes, their grades are a bit lower. So that's an example of a secondary chart. If you want to have a different set of numbers on the right side on the y-axis and another set of numbers on the left side.